Roasted tomato vinaigrette. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. The first step is to core and halve your tomatoes. Arrange the tomato halves, cut side up, on a foil-lined broiler-safe pan. Add a clove of garlic. You do not need to peel the garlic first, just add it to the pan, along with a quarter of a red onion. Drizzle the tomatoes, garlic, and onion with a little olive oil, and then sprinkle generously with salt and black pepper. Broil the tomatoes until the tomatoes collapse and take on a bit of color. Let them cool slightly, and then using a spoon, transfer your tomatoes to a colander or a sieve and press the liquid and pulp through the sieve into a bowl. You want to press out as much of that liquid and pulp as you can, and then discard the skins, cores, if any, and seeds. After pressing, you'll have about 1 cup of puree. Transfer the onion and garlic, just slip the garlic out of that skin, to a food processor or blender along with the tomato puree. Any juices that accumulated on the foil-lined broiler pan, a bit of Dijon mustard, some vinegar, you can use any kind of vinegar you like here, and olive oil. Pulse until combined, and then give the mixture a taste and season with a bit of sugar, more salt, and pepper, and it's ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.